Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Coinbase account with 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security tab. Look for the section titled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on the button that says Get Started or Enable. For most users, selecting the Mobile Authentication app option is recommended. If you have an app like Google Authenticator or Authy, download it from your App Store. Once installed, open the Authentication app on your mobile device. In the Coinbase 2FA setup screen, click on Scan QR code. Use your Authentication app to scan the QR code displayed on the Coinbase website. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the designated field on the Coinbase site. Click Verify to confirm your setup. You may be prompted to add a backup phone number for recovery purposes. Follow the instructions to enter your backup phone number. Coinbase will send a verification code via SMS to this number. Enter that code into the verification field provided. Once confirmed, your 2FA setup will be complete. You will receive a notification summarizing your 2FA settings. Always remember to store backup codes in a safe place. This ensures you can access your account even if you lose your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.